Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on one-handed mode on this device. First of all, access tab menu. From here you need to find lock orientation icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's gray. That means that auto rotation is on. You can also go into device settings, scroll down a bit, tap on display, scroll down again and click on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is on. You can always just check it out though by clicking on any app and turning your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!